All right, and let's talk about this dish.
All right.
I love spaghetti alla carbonara.
That's great.
And it's a very simple dish as well. And most recipes that you'll look at will either use smoked bacon or they'll use a pancetta. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cook the pancetta. Now, see, actually, it starts to get really sort of paper thin like that.
Yeah,
that's
beautiful.
the lardo, the sort of the pork fat. It's going to cook and start to caramelize and produce this really sort of delicious, sweet, smoky fat. All right, stir this stuff together. All right, so now we extract the fat. Now it's time to saute the garlic. All right, so we got a couple cloves of garlic, big fat cloves of garlic. I want you to take the side of a knife and just give those a good whack.
All right.
So we're gonna chop the garlic up. Get a little mince. Sign of a good Italian cook when your hands smell like garlic.
Yeah, you bet.
In a good way.
All right.
Boom. So we saute the stuff up, it gets nice and yummy.
Okay.
How much you want? Is it good?
More.
One more?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's my girl.
Definitely.
All right, so we're gonna saute the garlic. Definitely don't burn it.
Right. I've done that a million times.
Don't burn the garlic.
Right.
You go to hell for stuff like that.
You do.
Right?
It just ruins everything.
It does. Okay, so we're gonna crack a couple eggs, probably like four eggs in a bowl right there. Okay. Like that. Some good Parmesan Reggiano cheese.
Yes.
And this right here. All right, so give that a good shower.
All right.
So we're gonna mix this together. So the eggs and the cheese are actually gonna act as a thickener and create a sauce when we toss everything together.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Is that enough?
That's good, it's good, perfect. Okay, so give this a little stir. Stir this together. Okay, and we're just gonna create like this little sort of egg cheese, right?
Yes.
Egg cheese slurry out of this stuff.
Yes, this is looking great.
So now when the pasta is cooked, okay, I think there's a fine line between like al dente and raw.
I do
like
too.
a whole thing like to the tooth.
It's key.
I think the pasta should be pretty much cooked,
Right.
but it shouldn't be mushy. It should have a nice little mouthfeel to it.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna save just a little bit of hot water.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're gonna take a spoon like that, right? Okay, you can scrape.
All right.
I'm gonna hold it
I'm
up.
scraping. It's a heavy pan. All
Exactly.
right.
All that good, yummy,
Oh, boy.
fat, toasted
boy.
garlic. Yeah, don't miss anything.
Yum.
All right, we take the eggs and the cheese.
All right.
All right, that goes in like that.
Raw eggs.
Raw egg. Well,
in
see,
there.
well, you gotta stir it together.
All right.
The pasta's still hot, right?
All
Stir
right.
it together. And
Eggs are cooking.
the eggs are cooking, and the pasta. See the steam coming up?
Yes, it's beautiful.
And if you want to thin out this carbonara sauce, you could actually use some of the reserved cooking liquid from the pasta until it gets nice and creamy.
It's a beautiful thing, Tyler.
Right. That's gorgeous, right? And then a nice shower of fresh cheese. Oh, it's
Oh my
delicious.
God, this smells so good.
This is lush,
you
man. It's
can't
really lush.
believe it. Men, learn how to do this. Women will love you. It's the key.
She loves it.
Don't be silly.
She's in heaven. Okay, so I have a little more cheese, a little more cheese.
All right. I'm
Lots
showering.
and lots of cheese. Lots of cheese and lots of black pepper.
All right.
Something like that. A little bit of olive oil on top of this.
That's a lot of cheese.
It's a lot of cheese. Boom. Some parsley on top of that.
All right.
Boom, baby. Classic.
That's beautiful too.
Classic.
And it's tricolore.
The egg is completely cooked now.
It
And with a little bit of
is.
pasta water on the bottom, the olive oil, that bacon fat. Oh, man.
That's awesome. That is incredible.
All right, a little bit of salt. All right, cool. So fork.
All right, let's go.
I love this part of the show.
Oh my God, if you could smell this.
Right.
Oh my God, that is so good.